Hi everybody, it's Gwenna, the Sunflower Flipper on YouTube, Facebook, and eBay. Look at this vase. Isn't this cool? It's 3D. It's a rooster, and it has it on both sides. It's pretty awesome. It's marked on the bottom. Could be yours. Check it out in my store, Sunflower Flipper. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm coming out with something new and cool before anyone else. Bye.